Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by configuring what matters: layout, modifier keys, and repeat behavior. First, pick the layout you will use for months, US QWERTY or an ergonomic alternative, because muscle memory forms fast. Then remap caps lock to control and set a comfortable key repeat rate. This reduces finger travel and speeds navigation. Once done, install any keyboard driver or utility that preserves layers and macros. These choices let you focus on shortcuts and typing cadence rather than correcting habits later, so set them now. You now train targeted habits. Combine editor shortcuts with hardware features. Learn how to jump to definitions, select tokens, use multiple cursors, and apply quick refactors. These cut context switches. Next, program keyboard layers and macros for boilerplate and recurring patterns. Map a chord to insert a function stub. Practice typing code-specific tokens, brackets, arrows, semicolons, so your fingers place them without thinking. Once comfortable, integrate shortcuts into your workflow gradually, and measure time saved to reinforce the changes. You wrap up by cementing workflow and fixing issues. Consolidate your shortcut map and sync it across machines. Backup configs so you can recover quickly. Tune ergonomics, keyboard tilt, wrist support, and split spacing to sustain long sessions and schedule microbreaks to avoid strain. If keys misbehave, troubleshoot stepwise. Test in safe mode to rule out software, reinstall drivers, try alternate key maps, swap keycaps, and update firmware. If problems persist, document symptoms before seeking help so you can reproduce the issue rapidly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.